Astro, I'm scared.
Don't worry, we'll be fine.
Whatever you say, Astro.
This machine doesn't work.
Astro.
Shelly, you scared me.
Anyways, get to elevator.
Shelly, I just want to say thanks for helping me that floor.
No problem, Astro.
I'll do this machine here. What was that? I guess I'll just ignore it.
Astro.
Ugh, I need this stupid medkit.
Should I even be surprised at this point? If I have trauma from this now, I just gotta figure out who did this, which will definitely be impossible. I'm just doing a solo run at this point. Why is IT so hard? Why is IT so hard? Why? Why does the elevator always land in the one same spot and I have to complete the same one machine? Oh, let's just forget it. I don't have that much time anyways. And whoever's doing it can't hide for long. Now that's for sure. Oh, who was that and why are they mimicking my actions? Oh, again, who is this? I can't help but think about their deaths. I swear, this place will be the death of me. If I don't, what does but something feels off? It feels like something or someone is nearby. Oh, cheer up, Shelly. You'll find out who it is. This is starting to feel like some random loop. Whatever, I'll get over it. I have many more floors to go. If I'm wasting my time. Let's do this stupid thing anyways. The next floor is yet to come. My fear is growing stronger each floor. No, Shelly, you mustn't be a coward. You mustn't. You must stand strong and face it. I'm actually gonna just do the machine now. So scared like something is going to happen to me. I just want to scream, but I fear it'll find me.